Now let's go ahead and understand some more important concepts in capital market. First would be issuance of shares at premium and at discount. So when the shares are issued at a price which is higher than the nominal value or face value or at par value of the particular share, this is known as share being issued at premium. The premium amount that is collected from the shareholders are profit or capital profit for the company, and they are kept into the balance sheet into a separate account called stock premium account or security premium account. When this company is issuing a share which is lower than the face value or value at par, at that time it is said that securities or shares are being issued at discount. For example, a share having a face value of 100 rupees is being issued at 95 rupees. This means that share has been issued at a discount of 5%.